Hi, good morning guys. It's 20th of February 2025 and this is our first ride to Thailand for 2025. We did a previous ride last year around February or so, earlier February. This is the middle of February and this time we are going to Koh Samui. So it's from Singapore direct to Koh Samui.
So it's been a while. We've done quite a number of trips from Singapore to Krabi, but not directly to Koh Samui. So this is going to be first. It's going to be tiring, but I'm pretty sure we should be able to make it.
Yeah.
We also got to catch on time for the ferry as well.
Okay, so we will be doing the regular 4 stops every 200 kilometers right up to the Caltex, Bukit Kayu Hitam. And from there, we'll do the insurance paperwork and stuff. And then we'll take one Kalyan, that's what we decided, because we think Sadao is going to be packed. Usually it's packed. So take from one Kalyan, and then we'll see where we want to stop for our lunch or breakfast. It depends on the timing. So, not waste time, let's go! Alright guys, we are at Air Koro stop right now. It's 2:22 or say 2:23 AM. So we are on schedule. So top up gas, and the next one most likely tapa. I'm not so sure lah. See whether we can push through or not. Traffic is not too bad, and weather is fine. That's good. So let's drink up and let's carry on. So after this, we will bypass KL.
Bypass KL,
Then
and we'll be heading to the next petrol station is Tanjung Malim.
Tanjung Malim. Okay lah. Probably 200 kilometers lah.
200 plus?
Thereabouts.
190, 200.
Okay. Okay guys, it's 4 o'clock now, 4 AM, and we are at Tanjung Malim. So it's about 200 kilometers from the last stop. Top up gas, coffee, then we will go to the next stop. What's the next stop? Gunung Semangol. Oh, fishball lah. Well, Nizam's a bit hungry, so he wants to get something to eat. Because the last he ate was at lunchtime, 1+, so expected lah. Okay lah, so I mean the weather is good. Traffic was super clear. Maybe it's a weekday so the trip was I mean the riding was smooth lah, I would say. So I think I also want to eat something first, then we'll go to the next stop, and then we'll enter in Thailand. Okay, so what we have at 4 in the morning is a hot dog bread and curry puff, chicken curry puff. So Nizam is here eating. Sarjif.
Cheers.
So let's makan first, then we can go to the next place already. Okay, see you at the next location. Alright guys, it's 7:45 right now and we have reached Bukit Kaya Hitam Caltex. We just pumped our gas and we are actually here now to do our documentations like our insurance, our TM2, TM3 and the necessary documents for Thailand lah. So once we get that done, we have decided to go with Wang Kalian. So because we saw a lot of traffic over here, you see, there's now got a lot of traffic. So we think that everybody's going to Sadao border, so we don't want to get stuck over there. So if you want to do your insurance, you come into the Caltex at the back door, and then you head this way, and if you turn to your left, this is the place where you do the insurance, your TM2, TM3 and all your documentations to enter into Thailand. So we're waiting for our turn right now. Takes approximately about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So what you will need here will be your passport and your log card, and then you give it to them and they will do the necessary documentations for you, like your insurance and your TM2, TM3. I don't think there's white card anymore, so yeah, passport, your log card. Okay guys, so we have done our documentations, basically insurance, your TM2 and TM3, so you get 2 copies. You can see it's the TM2, oh sorry, TM3, and the next page will be the TM2, and they will actually mark X where you actually need to sign. So okay, and all the information will be here just according to what you give them lah. Okay, and of course since we are going through Wang Kalian, we need a white card, so the white card is here. Okay, so these are the documentations and now we are ready to go into Thailand. There seems to be some problem with Nizam's visor, and our chief mechanic Sajif is assisting to fix it up. Wasting a bit of time here, but this is a critical thing that we need to fix. So yes, let's fix it up first. Okay guys, so we at Wang Kalian immigration right now. There's a bit of a queue there, so you come in by that way, not to block the vehicles. We park our bikes around here. Nizam, your glove drop. So park your bikes here, then we will go there and get our passport stamped out of Malaysia. And if you see over there, that is Thailand's border. And let's clear this part first, and then we shall go there and clear the Thai customs. Okay guys, let's go. Okay, got our passport shop in Malaysia, and now let's go into the Thai side. Kuba, are you ready? Let's go. Bye bye Malaysia. Welcome to Thailand. Touching Thailand. Okay, let's park our bike here, the usual place.
Sama tiket.
Okay guys, so this is Satun border, Thailand. We have just cleared Malaysia side, and now we have to clear the Thai side. So we need the TM2, TM3 forms, your white card, your passport, and your log card, because you need to do the import-export. So basically, this is the immigration. It's over there where Nizam is blocking. Yeah, it's over there. And the import-export is actually the other side. I'm not allowed to take a video inside there. So this is the furthest I can go. So let's get all our stuff done, and then we're going to Thailand. Okay guys, we have cleared immigration in Thailand at Satun border. We have also done our import-export. Basically, this is the import-export form. You need to sign here. You need to give them your log card so that they can give this. They'll have 2 copies. They'll have one for themselves, and they'll give you one. So when you return back into Malaysia, you need to give this copy back, or there's a 10,000 baht fine. And your log card, your passport, 1 copy of your TM2 is already given. Okay, time to go. We have just cleared into Thailand. And next, I'm a bit hungry, but we will see. We are not going to the usual Route 41 cowboy. Nizam actually found a new place at Don Sak, so we're going to check that out. That's about 300 over kilometers. So we see lah. If hungry halfway, then just stop. Oh. If not lah, later faint lah. Okay guys, I'll catch you up.
Hello.
Welcome to Thailand, everybody. It's a beautiful day, beautiful weather, amazing climbing. Everything is perfect. And now let's go to Surat Thani. Are you ready, boys? Let's go. It's 12:44 in Thai time. Singapore, it's 1:44. So Thailand's always 1 hour back. And now we are stopping for our lunch after a 300-kilometer ride from the border. And we did not stop. Weather is a bit hot. I wouldn't say a bit lah, but actually quite hot. But we just pushed through, and now we're going to have our awesome lunch. We asked, where am I? I said, where are we? Padum Chichon. So this place was actually recommended to us by a fellow biker friend lah. So we're going to try out, see what they have here. Take a break, and then we will go to Surat Thani Don Sak harbour to catch the ferry to Koh Samui. Alright, time to makan. So basically you'll need to come to this counter here and purchase your tickets from here and give your bike's number, and then you hit that side which will be going there. Okay. ขอบคุณค่ะเขียนชื่อเนี่ยนะ Okay guys, so we managed to book ourselves for the 3 o'clock ferry, 3 p.m. ferry. We rushed a bit and I'm glad that we are here, bought the tickets, and now we're just waiting with our bikes to go into the ferry. So this is the queue and you see the timing over there. Yeah, so we just gotta wait. All the cars must go in first and then our bikes will go in.
I drink.
See you guys in Koh Samui.
Okay guys, it's 3:30 Thailand time. Singapore it's 4:30. We managed to get the 3 o'clock ferry. So it's 3 means you, by the time you do the boarding, secure your bike, get a place, ding dong is about 3:30 lah. So we're looking at probably 1.5 hours to 2 hours, depends on the sea's condition. So we managed to get a VIP sitting with air condition. Nizam is playing his game as always, and let's see what Sajif has to say.
I'm just relaxing in this VIP seat. I don't know, for some reason I've got like a extraordinary seat whereby there's some extra leg room. So the aircon is cooling. I think I like Sea Trans more better than Raja Ferry. So yeah.
Okay, so we're going to take a break now and rest because I've been awake from like 6:30 actually, so it's more than 24 hours. So I need to take a nap, energize a bit, and then ride about 20 kilometers more in some way to reach our hotel lah. So we will catch up when we're going to off-board the ferry. Let's go. Okay guys, it's 6:14 and we are finally checked into Le Murray Resort in Koh Samui.